Hi folks, I've just bought a new camera. Now this is a Sony HDR CX25. I'll put details below, but I'm not doing a review on this camera as yet. I may do it at a later date. I've just been up to the woods. This is sort of a continuation of that mushroom thing, and I've just been looking for logs. I'm going to try and do a log, so there might be another video tomorrow of me doing that. Sorry about that, but say I went up to the woods today and just to give this a little bit of a blast and see what it's like and try and find a log. And I also got some good shots of a woodpecker, so it's nice to be nice. So guys, this is a dual purpose trip. I'm here to test this camera. So we've just bought a new camera. This is a Sony. I'll put details in bottom about what it is. But as I say, a dual trip. I've noticed there've been felling here. Now I was talking to mushroom farmer, and he suggested doing a totem. I was going to try and put some straw in with some of that, with the king mushrooms, and try and expand the amount I've got of the yeah, you know what I'm talking about, even if I don't. And they've been doing some felling here, so if I can find a short stump or a couple of short bits of hardwood, ash or beech, and I might be able to do a log totem. But as I say, but while I'm here, because I bought this camera due to the fact we're going over to the UK, and I usually work on my iPhone or the GoPro when I'm down at the river. I might take this down to the river, maybe. I might not. And as I said, I'm just having a quick wander while I can. I don't know how that is with sun, and I don't know how sound's going to pick up on it. I'm sure it picks up better than camera, than phone though. I'll just give a quick look over here. This is top of village where I live, and that's where I do some prospecting. Secret rivers in that. I'll try a zoom. I don't know how that's coming out. I've got the sun behind me, see. I'll see if I can get some shots at birdies while I'm here. Now that's the sort of thing I'm looking for. I'm not sure. It'll either be beech or ash. It's more like beech. I can find a couple of them. The only problem is that these have been in woods probably, I don't know now. I reckon this were felled about a month ago, so it's whether I can inoculate that. I mean, it's just a stump 8, you know, they've cut it, it was cut high and then they've recut it again. I was thinking if I could get them, a couple of them inoculated, I might get a crop out of it next year. I could probably take that, cut it in half and make it like a totem. There's another one further down. So, I think I found a candidate. It's definitely not pine. So again, beech or ash. I'm going to take that, I'm going to leave one on bottom because it's all cut open. But that's got most of, well, whole bark on all the way around. Whether it'll have been already colonised or if I can get it to colonise, then that'll be another thing. But I think it's worth a try. could hear him, but I couldn't see him before. I stood directly underneath and I fell over then, went all dizzy. I really like having zoom. You can't do that with iPhone or with GoPro. Sorry about that, you probably feel sick now. Managed to get a couple of pieces of wood anyway. And a woodpecker. What a refreshing change.